my favorite thing right now. Yes!
Chinese food.
I really like to go to the mall. My name is Tom, and I'm really small. I really like to go to the mall. My name is Tom.
State officers, we only say in suites. There's no suites, we're not gonna be there. We're gonna leave, okay? And then you guys, the members, you can do your own general sessions.
Your own ones, run them.
Your own ones, do it yourself, okay? Because
Be
we
an
need to have a
independent
palace.
woman.
Yeah, we need to have a palace or we're out.
Yep, exactly. And we got all this stuff ready for y'all. We're super extra with our materials. We got you some cheeses, non-sponsored. Cheeses don't sponsor me.
Skittles, M&Ms,
Skittles,
everything.
M&Ms, all the treats.
Come to the leadership session.
We got all the snacks. You better come to the leadership session. Can you not?
Can you not? Yeah, you're good.
I thought I would share this little project that I'm doing. It's actually with these 3D printed fabric tiles. Let's see if it focuses. So these are really cool. Basically, like at my school, we have a 3D printer, and when it prints out, you get these really unique shapes. And basically, it's like this interlocking system of plastic fibers. So what I did with that is I used this t-shirt that I already had, and basically I just went through this and saw like where it would stretch to and see how the farthest stretching of it would be. And then you take that basically and use those size measurements to then look and see how many squares I would need to create the straps and everything. So this is like the final design that I have. It's going to be a 12 by 12 because these are 6s. I think these are 6 by 6. So there's going to be 12 squares at the bottom and then 3 here to make it like come in for a tube top, because I want it to be able to have this shirt that people can wear whenever they come into our school to like take pictures with or something. So
That's when I leave.
anyway, so I just drove through literally the worst conditions I have ever driven in my entire life. My friend over here, who doesn't want to be in frame, she was dying as much as I was because the entire road just went white while we were driving. But know what? We made it through. But that's just a little midweek update of how I almost died driving to go get ice cream. Hashtag worth it. What just happened?
You're not even on Snapchat. I know. You are. We're not dead!
Oh, don't try to act cute for the camera.
I'm always cute.
So I'm heading to Sawtooth right now because I have to help with like the new interns that are coming this summer. So I just thought that this weekend would be really fun to vlog because I'm going to be doing this today, and then the rest of the weekend I'm going to be doing art and a lot of homework. But it's going to be a really like productive vlog this week. So yeah, I'm heading into work now, and I'll give you guys an update when I come back. So yeah. Hey guys, so the last update that I gave you was after I was walking in the Sawtooth. The session went great. A lot of the new interns that I think that we're gonna have this year are amazing. They're super inspiring, like great artists that I think we'll have. But now that I'm home, I ended up actually taking a nap, so I'm really sorry that I didn't vlog in between, but basically I came home, I did very little work, and then I took a nap. Last night, which was Friday, so last night I worked on these pieces that I'm now posting on my Instagram slowly, and they're photographs that I really loved, or that like when I took them I was just really inspired by the way that they turned out and really happy with the way that they turned out. So I took those and then I did digital line art of like different feelings or like times or people over them, so I really like how those turned out. Go check out my Instagram if you want to see those, but this was just like a little clip of me like working on them, and I'll just show like a time lapse of a couple of them. Those were the projects that I did. That's what I'm working on currently. Now though, you know, I feel like every single vlog that I do, in my vlog I always talk about how I'm like cleaning my workspace and how I'm always doing that, and I always show like a time lapse of me cleaning my workspace. Right now I'm gonna have another one because I think it's very important to always try to keep your workspace clean, especially when you start up new projects. And I have so many things that I'm gonna be doing within the next like 24 hours. I don't even know if I'll probably sleep, but I have to do a painting because tomorrow is Mother's Day, and I have to do calculus homework and a bunch of other classwork and some video editing for another thing. So I'm gonna work on that now, but I'm just gonna quickly clean up my space. I'll put on a time lapse, but I made me some miso soup, so I'm gonna eat me some miso soup. So I'll see you guys in the next update. I'll update you after I'm done cleaning just to say like what I've started on, and probably I'll do a time lapse of this video of me working on the painting.
Sweating at the end of it. Cocoa cookie nuts. Oh, and you can't forget these pickles.
Okay, so I'm back with another update. I just finished the art piece. It turned out really well. I was so triggered because right at the end when I was going to peel off the tape, it's peeled up the actual paper, and part of it was my fault because I didn't let it fully dry, but as I was pulling it up, that tape usually just like comes straight off, and it didn't this time, so that was really bad. And irritating. So the thing finished that. I finished everything that I needed tomorrow for Mother's Day. And I finished the 6 pieces that I did, you know, Friday, but the only things that I have left are like all homework related. So I have to do some things for my engineering class, calculus, and I think that I have to go print something. I'm gonna print something right now. I'm just gonna try to get up as many things as I can off my to-do list tonight. Right now I'm gonna do a study guide and something else. So I'm getting there with everything that I need to be done with. I'm gonna finish a couple more things tonight before I go to bed. But I kind of want another snack. Like, I've been hungry, but I've been working, so I kind of deserve it. I need more water. One of the things that I do all the time whenever I'm working for like a long period of time is I fill up water a lot. And I actually prefer like these glass bottles because when you use glass for your water, one, you're not getting any plastic chemicals that will leach into your water over time if you like carry water with you often. As well as with glass, I found that it always like keeps your water colder, and it's just more satisfying to drink out of. It's just like this kind of cyclic thing, mental, yes. But I drink out of glass. I prefer it over others. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna get some water, snack, and keep working. And I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Let the cleaning commence. Everything is clean now. Somebody feeling themselves. Okay, bye-boo.
Bye.
Has it as eating one of my favorite teachers of all time.